In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Skool course lessons. If you're running a course on Skool, keeping your lessons in the right order is really important. A clear structure helps your students follow along, stay engaged, and actually complete the material. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reorganize your lessons inside a Skool classroom in a simple visual way. First, make sure you're logged into your Skool account and go to your main home dashboard. This is the page you see right after logging in, where you can access your communities, classroom, and other features. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct community or group where your course is hosted, especially if you belong to multiple communities. From the home dashboard, look for the Classroom tab and click on it. The Classroom area is where all of your courses and their lessons live. Once you're there, you'll see a list of courses you've created or have access to manage. Next, click on the specific course whose lessons you want to organize. This will open up that course's structure, usually showing modules or sections on the left, and the individual lessons within those sections. Make sure you're looking at the right course, because any changes you make here will affect what your students see. Now, to reorganize your lessons, simply click on a lesson and drag it either up or down in the list. As you drag, you'll notice that Skool highlights where the lesson will be dropped. Release your mouse or trackpad when the lesson is in the spot you want. You can repeat this process as many times as you need until everything flows in a logical order, from beginner content at the top to more advanced material further down. A helpful tip here is to think about the journey you want your students to take. For example, place your welcome or orientation lesson first, then any foundational concepts, and only after that, the more technical or advanced lessons. You can always come back and adjust the order later if you get feedback from students or add new content. As you can see, the whole process is very easy and simple. There are no complicated menus or hidden settings. It's just a matter of dragging and dropping lessons into the order that makes the most sense for your course. Once you're happy with the layout, your changes are saved automatically, and your students will see the new lesson order the next time they open the course.